Hi Carl! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day. Pagpasensya mo na kung ganito ang ayos ng aking buhok at damit kasi nag-i-impake ako going somewhere. Alam mo namang ate mong gala, maladora. Ayun lang. Tigil mo na pagiging pasaway at sana makagraduate ka. Huwag mo akong tularan. Yun lang. Ingat ka palagi. Nag-iisa ka na ng pinsan namin dyan. Alam mo yan. At matatakbuhan mo ako anytime. Sa pagkain na lang hindi ata. Yun lang. Huwag mo na-stressin si Tita Lalaine. At enjoy mo lang lahat ng gusto mo kasi lahat yan iti-treasure mo pagtanda mo. So, yan. Love you both. Kayo ni Raven, kayo Tita Lalaine. Love na love ko kayo. Kaya, God bless you and ingat kayo lagi.
Hello Carl, happy birthday. Sana masaya yung birthday mo. Mag-aaral kang mabuti para magiging best engineer ka. God bless you.
Happy birthday, boy. Fuck you.
Hi Carl! Happy birthday! Yan, hindi ko na kailangang sabihin sa'yo na galingan mo pa dahil I know you're already doing great. Just know that ate is always here for you and ayan, soon magiging engineer abaya ka na. Ayan. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday, Bayaw. Wish ko sana matupad lahat ng wish mo. See you soon. Enjoy your day. Love you.
From the City Engineering Office, happy birthday, Carl.
Hello, Carl! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is never stop believing in yourself and chasing your dreams. Konti na lang, malapit na, gagraduate ka na, magiging isang engineer ka na. Yes! And happy birthday once again. Bye!
Happy birthday, Carl! Happy birthday, Tito Carl!
Happy birthday, Carl! Ayan, so I think ito na yung parang third year na friendship din natin and first time yung nag-meet ni Raven nung birthday mo. I just know that kasi nandun ako, be. Kaya alam ko naman na tong day na to, tong birthday mo na to is something that you really treasure kasi aside from ito yung araw ng pagkapaanak sa'yo, gano'n. Ito rin yung araw na una kayo nagkita ni Raven. And I hope you treasure also this friendship kasi I really treasure this friendship with you guys and I've always been rooting for us. Kasi sana, di ba, someday, hindi na lang, alam mo yun, out of town tayo lumalabas, you know, pag in our own profession na tayo. Guys! Out of the country, nakapag-book na ako ganon. Ganon yung kind of friendship na nilolook forward ko for us. And of course, I hope you enjoy the rest of the day. Maraming
Happy birthday, Kuya Carl. Love you.
Hello, happy birthday Kuya Carl. Love you. Many more birthdays to come.
Hi Daddy! Happy birthday! Sana na-surprise kita and napasaya ka namin ngayong birthday mo. Wish you all the best in life and always pray to God. Hingin mo lagi sa Kanya yung good health mo and yung guidance. More blessings to come sa'yo. Deserve mo yan lahat ng meron ka ngayon kasi mabait ka na tao. And then, always remember, nandito ako for you. Susuportahan kita sa mga bagay na gusto mo. And always pray to God na maging successful engineer tayo. Yun lang. I love you so much.
Hello na! Surprise! Love you! Happy birthday! Hindi mo alam no, surprise ka. Ako rin na-surprise eh.
What's up, Bads? This is Joshua Garcia ng Katika. Excuse me, happy birthday. God bless you. Magiging ka palagi.